Hi everyone, welcome to BIM Guru. In this particular video, we'll discuss about the add-in called Sheetlink's replacement. Why I'm saying this one because I guess everybody knows that the roots is not free from couple of days and probably will not be free in future as well. So let's find out the replacement of that particular add-in, and we have the best automation tool that will be lifetime free. That is Dynamo. So let's create some Dynamo script so that we can create a script which will extract the schedules or multiple schedules from Revit to Excel format. So for example, I want to go in Dynamo at the first place, and right here this is Dynamo interface, and Dynamo is inbuilt in Revit. I guess everybody knows that one. Go in Manage tab, there will be Dynamo option. Click on that one, and then you'll be right here. Now, so at the first place, I just want to search all the schedules in my Revit. So how I can do that thing? Let's go by category. Oh. So I'll search the category of schedules. Let me please right here, zoom in, and then I'll go for schedules. Secondly, I just wanted to go for all elements of this category. So let me all elements of category. Perfect. Now I just wanted to go for element names so that I can easily identify the names of the schedules as well, and that will be useful for us. So in this case, I'm just preparing this automation for multiple schedules extraction as well, not only one schedule extraction, for multiple schedules extraction as we normally do in Sheetlink add-in. So for that one, I'll be using data shapes add-in, sorry, data shapes package, and let's go for sheet view of data shapes. So this node will be using, and one more node that will be using, that is uh, for the inputs of let's go in data shapes, go in UI because I'll be using this one, multi-input. Okay, so there are two nodes that we'll be using from that package. So for example, the input name that I want to show on that pop-up, the pop-up will be coming, right? I guess everybody knows that how data shapes works. So data shapes will give us the UI interface where we can edit the our requirement basis things in terms of the input and those kind of stuff. So how we can do that thing? Let's go. So right click, I'll go for the first one. Additionally, I just want to show you, we just need to fill these red options only, but I just wanted to edit something in some of the inputs as well. So I'm going like that. So input name, I'm giving right click, I'll just go for string, and input name, I wanted to go for schedules. Schedules, okay. Okay, okay, perfect. And the keys. At the first place, I just want to give the keys by all the schedules names, and the values will be my element, means my schedules. Okay, now height, height of that pop-up, show you how you can do that thing, but right now I'm not going with that one. Additionally, I'll use this one. So in this one I just need the input, so the input is this one. Okay, let me show you what I was talking about. The first place, I just wanted to turn on the toggle. Toggle means it'll show me the pop-up. Okay, so for that one, I'll use Boolean, and for the Boolean, I'm making for true so that it'll show me the pop-up. Okay, so technically, I just given you the user. I just given the Dynamo script the user interface that is required for me. So if I'll click on run, there'll be a pop-up, right? This kind of pop-up where I can check and check which schedule I needed. Okay. So if you'll scroll down, there are a couple of schedules in Revit. Those are 33. And if I want to make this box bigger because I can't read the full name of the schedules right there. So what I'll do is that at the first place, height. So let me go with height of let's go for 500 mm. So let me go with 500 mm. Then I'll click run, Yeah, so it's fine. It's fine. We can go beyond than that, but I guess that's fine. I can scroll down. But in terms of width, definitely width I can increase from right here. So let's go with the approx 700 width. Okay, let me apply, and I guess that's fine now. Okay, I can read in one go. Definitely, if you want to increase the height again, you can increase from right there, but it's fine. Additionally, if I'll run it, I need to change something, so I'll do that thing later. Additionally, I just want to show something else right there. So, for example, I just want to show the button of export those kind of stuffs. So that everybody will know. Okay, this icon needs to be pressed. Okay, so for that one, I'll use string that show me export button on the UI. Okay. Additionally, I just want to do see the description option as well. So description, I want to go like select required schedules to be exported. That is very big, so I'll go for select required schedules. Okay. Logo, okay, no worries. Logo is not that much good. Export input is done, toggle is done. Help, if you want to give the help icon as well, you can give the add one as well from right there. Okay, but right now I'm not going with add one. Cancel button, if I want to show, definitely I can use that one. So let me go for cancel icon as well. So let me type right here cancel. Okay, maximum height, that's fine now. Okay, so I guess we are done with this one. Let's go right here. So if I'll click on run now, I can see there are a couple of schedules, but it's showing the IDs as well of the schedules, right? So I do not want the IDs. So what I'll do is that also right here, see right here, show ID optional. So I'll go for Boolean again, and then I'll go for false. I don't want to see the IDs, okay? And now click on run. It is clean now, okay? So I just wanted to go for the schedules. For example, I just wanted to go for space outdoor air schedules. Right here you can see the export icon, cancel icon. You can select all and you can go for none as well. Click on none. But right now I'm going for the space outdoor schedule. Okay, click on export, but it'll not work. Why? Because I did not add the further inputs for export the schedule. Okay, so for that one, what I'll do is that I'll go for schedule dot get data. Okay, this is from BIM orf node. Right here I'll go for this is my input schedule view. Okay, refreshing should be true, correct. Okay, now I got the data, so I'll go for export to Excel. It's not showing, so let me export to Excel. Yeah, it's right here, this node, and in this node this is my first example data, and let me use the booleans. Boolean true false, so I just want to go for true for overwrite if it's already run. Now file path, definitely I want to give the file path, so I'll go for path. Oh, sorry, path. Let me go for default, so I'll go right here, Revit file path, and then I'll browse this one so that I can find my file, and I guess that's in BIM Guru. Okay, this is the my Excel. I did not create any tabs in that one, so let's go for that one. Okay. Now, I just want that sheet names will be defined by Dynamo itself. So what I'll do is that I'll use element dot name for that particular schedule. So I'll use that. It'll create the same sheet name based on the schedule title. Okay. So for example, this will be my, sorry, not this one. This will be my schedule. So I just wanted to go for the name of the schedule and then it'll create the sheet name based on that name only. Okay. The start row and end row, I just wanted to go for 0, 0. So I'll go for this one, 0 and 0. Perfect. And I guess we are done at the stage. So let me save this at the first place so that we can, close this one. So Excel export. Okay. Click on save. Let me close the Dynamo script at the first place. And let's reopen it. Okay. So I guess we are good in that situation. The file stored and okay, I just wanted to go for that one. I'm not sure why that is coming. So we do not need to give any input. So I just need to click on run. So it'll give me the pop-up. Okay. Now I want to select the schedule that I wanted to export. So for example, this one. Okay. Click on export. Now it'll create the, the Excel tab or the sheet based on the same, what we can say, same name, and then it'll copy the data right here. So you can see space outdoor air schedule. It's done. You can go right here. You can do the adjustment accordingly. Now, for example, let me close this one. Let me delete this one in the first place. I just want to, export multiple data this time. So what I'll do is that I'll click on run again and I'll select multiple schedules. So this one, for example, view list and sheet index as well. I just want to go for these three. Click on export. It'll again create three different sheets, and each different sheet will paste the data from Revit to Excel. So that's how we can export this one from Revit to um, Excel. Let me come back on my Dynamo script. Let's check out thoroughly. So what we did actually, we firstly selected all the elements of the schedule. Okay, it means all the schedule views. We have, got the names of all the schedules, and we have given them as a key in list view dot data, that is data shapes node. And now the input name that we given the schedule, and height and width definitely we can adjust based on our requirement. Now, additionally, right here, the same input we have given to this one, and all those are as per our requirements. Okay. Now we have used this data export to Excel, and right here we have given the Excel path and the sheet name we have given based on the schedule name only. So it will create the tabs based on that one only. And again, we have used this BIM orf node to collect the data, schedule data, so that we can export that one into Excel format. So that's all we did for this particular Dynamo script. But I guess it will be helpful as we do not have any another option in terms of, I'm talking about D routes only. But if you're using any better option, you can go with that one. But if you have customized the Dynamo scripts, that is the best option that we can have. That will be always free. So I would suggest to try this one out by yourself so that you can learn the Dynamo as well. You can modify the requirements based on your requirements. Okay. So thanks a lot guys for watching on this video. Let's meet in my next video.